Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel. Meditation is something that has been followed for many years now by many people. It is said that meditation can help you in gaining clarity of thoughts. But do you know that meditation can help you in more ways than you can imagine? It is a proven fact that meditation can help you calm your mind and bring about inner peace. We all go through a lot of stress in our daily lives. This stress can be due to work or studies, or even family problems. Whatever the reason, stress is something that affects all of us, and it is very important to find healthy ways to cope with it. One of the best ways to cope with stress is by meditating regularly. There are several meditation techniques, and you can choose the one that suits you the best. The most important thing is to find a quiet place where you will not be disturbed while meditating. The other important thing is to set a specific time for meditating. This will help you build a routine and make meditation a habit. Now let's look at some of the benefits of meditating regularly. Number 1, reduced stress and anxiety. We all get worried about various things in our life, which leads to stress and anxiety. But when you meditate, you learn to focus on the present moment and let go of your worries. This helps to calm your mind and reduces stress and anxiety levels. Number 2, improved concentration. In today's world, we are constantly bombarded with information, and this makes it difficult to concentrate on one thing at a time. But when you meditate, you train your mind to focus on one thing, your breath. This improves your concentration levels, and you are able to concentrate better at work or while studying. 3, increased self-awareness. When you meditate, you become more aware of your thoughts and feelings. This increased self-awareness helps you to understand yourself better and also understand the emotions of others. Number 4, better emotional health. Our emotions have a profound impact on our overall health and well-being. When we are happy, we feel good, and when we are sad, angry, or stressed, our body goes through a lot of strain. Meditation helps us to process our emotions in a healthy way, and this leads to an overall improvement in our emotional health. Number 5, improved sleep quality. Sleep is essential for our physical and mental health, but many of us suffer from insomnia or other sleep disorders. Meditation can help you relax and calm your mind, which in turn improves your sleep quality. Number 6, increased creativity. When you meditate, you open yourself up to new ideas and perspectives. This can help you to be more creative in your thinking and problem solving. Number 7, lower blood pressure. High blood pressure is a risk factor for heart disease and stroke. Meditation has been shown to lower blood pressure, so it can help to protect against heart disease and stroke. Number 8, reduced pain. Chronic pain can be both a physical and emotional burden. Meditation has been shown to reduce pain by altering the way the brain processes pain signals. Number 9, increased resilience. Life is full of ups and downs, and we need to be resilient in order to cope with the challenges that come our way. Meditation can help us to develop a strong mind, and this in turn makes us more resilient. Number 10, a sense of calm. The biggest benefit of meditation is that it gives you a sense of calm and peace. In today's fast-paced world, we all need some time to relax and unwind. Meditation can help us to find stillness in the midst of chaos, and this can bring about a sense of calm and peace in our lives. So these were some of the benefits of meditating regularly. If you have not tried meditating, then start doing it today. Even just a few minutes of meditation can make a big difference to your day. There are guided meditations available online and on various apps. You can try those too. If you have already meditated, then share your experience with us in the comments below. Also, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.